In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the crackling sound coming from your laptop speakers. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, we're going over several fixes here in this video so we can help resolve that issue, but begin by hitting the search bar down at the very bottom, and you need to type in Device Manager. Go ahead and hit enter to open it up, and once you open this up, what you need to go ahead and do is find the audio inputs and output section on here. It should be up towards the very top. Go ahead and open this up, and then once you do this, find your speaker device. So mine's going to be this speakers right here. Go ahead and find it, right click on it, and what you're going to want to do is hit update driver. Select search automatically for drivers, and if there's an update, go ahead and do that. If not, just close out of this. Now, if you don't see any from there, do the exact same thing, but this time do browse my computer for drivers. Go ahead and hit let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And once you go ahead and do that, find this audio endpoint section, hit next, and then it'll update those drivers for you. Test your speakers to see if the crackling sound is gone. If it is still going on, go ahead and once again go back to this section, right click on it and go ahead and hit disable, and then confirm it, and then right click and turn enable. This is just going to refresh the audio device and can sometimes fix the issue. However, if it's still having any issues, go ahead and open up the start menu, select settings just like so, and then find the sound settings. You have to go into system for this and then find sound. But once you do open this up, scroll down to more sound settings and then open that up, and in the playback section right here, you're going to want to just scroll down a little bit, find your speakers, select it, and then go ahead and hit properties, then go to advanced up at the very top, and we need to go ahead and make sure that you uncheck enable audio enhancements. Hit apply and then hit OK, and then what you need to do if you're still having any issues is actually just uninstall the device and then reinstall it and then restart your PC. To do that, once again, go ahead and go to Device Manager, open it up, open up audio inputs and outputs and find that same speaker system, right click and then hit uninstall device. After doing that, simply go ahead and go over here, select the power button, hit restart, and then once your PC boots back up, Windows is going to automatically reinstall those audio drivers, which will fix any issues no matter what they might be. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.